Hi there, how are you all? Today is Wednesday and today's date is 9th of September 2020. Remember to write it in your workbook. And it's a Wednesday. We're going to do maths. And last time I asked you to write 1 to 50 in your notebook and then 51 to 100 in your workbook, right? Okay, great. Hope you all did it. Okay, and how about the number names 1 to 10? Were you able to overcome that problem with the number 8 and 7? Okay, anyway, let's go through one more time so that you just try to remember it. We don't need it this week, but still let's just say it. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, or you read it as Th-R-E 3, then F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7. You will, when you say the sound phonetically, you will be able to hear it. Seven. 7. Okay. Next, 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. I gave you example for 8. I-G-H-T means it, and you can even use it with night, light, all those. Very good. Then 9. N-I-N-E 9 and 10. T-E-N 10. T-N 10. Hope you are familiar with all of this thing. Okay, we are going to need this in this whole term. You must know all of it. Okay, it's going to be easier this way, this term. It's not like 11, 12, 13, 14. It's going to be very easy. Okay, but before that we have to make sure that we have no ghosts around 11, 12. Anybody getting scared of 11, 12? Are you uncomfortable with it? We'll finish it off. We'll just finish it in 2 weeks and then we'll go to a new one. Then it's going to be very, 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 very easy. Okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. So, let's finish off the number 11. Come on. 11. How do I spell 11? 11. 11. 12. 10 and 2 makes 12. 12. See? 12. 12. 10 and 3 makes 13. Then you have to write teen. 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 13. Then 10 and 4 makes 14. So write 4. The same 4. F-O-U-R 4 and teen. 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 Last one 15. F-I-F if fifth. Teen. 15. Okay. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. You all did your oral assessments perfect. Good. One more time you will be doing the oral assessment of just this alone. You will be doing it better this time. That is why I have repeated it for you. Don't bother about the previous one. This time you have to work towards doing it everything perfectly. Okay? Nothing should go wrong. Are you sure you'll give a good practice? Okay. Just 11 to 15. No need 16, 17. Okay? Now we'll go to this week's workbook and classwork. Come. Okay. You have to do pages 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 pages to be done. Don't have to worry about it. It's going to be very easy. I will show you what you have to do. Page number 4. You just have to write 1 to 100 one time. because we have to make sure that we know 1 to 100. We must not forget it. Just write one time. Then comes the easiest part. This is very, 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 very easy. What is this? It's your 100 cube, right? Yes. So we are going to count how many 100 cubes are there. I mean not cubes, sorry, 100 squares are there. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay children? See, you don't have the material with you, but I want you to remember this as 100. 100 square bead. Okay? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Now you have to write here 500. That is all. Okay? How much is this? 100, 200, 300. So please write 300. Please notice that hundreds will have only 2 zeros in it. Okay? Then turn to page number 6. There comes the cube. This cube is a 1000 cube. Now we are going to see how many 1000 cubes are there. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. So I am going to write here 5000. 1000 means how many zeros? You will have to give 3 zeros. Do you see that? 3 zeros makes 1000 in that. Okay, in 1000 you will have 3 zeros. So 5000. Please practice writing here. This is for you to remember how many zeros will be there in 100 and in 1000. Okay. Then I want you to turn to page number 7, your last homework, where you have to write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, the number name. Just now we saw the number name. Yes. So you are going to be writing that. In your homework book, you have to go to the page which is dated 10/9. Okay, go to that page and you will be having your work to write numbers 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That's all. Just practice that, because that is what is going to come for your assessment in the next week. So if you practice, definitely nothing will go wrong. Okay children, I hope you got it. It's very easy. You have to just practice writing 11 to 15 this time, and then writing the numbers 1 to 100 one time. The rest of it easy. For your reference, I'll show it to you one more time again. Okay, and don't forget the date. Very easy to remember. 9/9. Okay, and for Hindi students, let me just tell you, today is Wednesday and Wednesday is called Budwar. And for Tamil students, today is Budankizhamai. சரியா? Budankizhamai, or in Hindi Budwar. Okay. Okay children, bye bye. See you in another video. Until then, I want to see you all happy.